Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We're back with another yellow mellow for the week. Y'all gonna have to wait and see what today's outfit. I look like a little stuff. What's the word? What's those little marshmallow things for Easter time? I cannot think of it. I look like a stuffed peep. Yes, that's what today's outfit is definitely dedicated to. The peeps. Easter vibes. Okay, so yeah, let me hurry up and get started with my eyes because I already have on my bases, and this one by the brand Beauty Creation, it enhances your yellow eyeshadows when you use the yellow, of course, but I have it on and it creases up very fast, so I'm trying to make sure that it doesn't do that. So I'm gonna reapply a little bit more on the lid so that it won't crease that much. Probably have to put my lid color on first. If you guys are watching for the first time, I want to first off say hello, welcome. I don't usually start my videos off like this, but hey, every day is different, you know? And also, if you're tuning in for the first time, whether you're new or old, today is day 4 of Mellow Yellow, I think we called it this week. I don't know. I keep coming with a different name every week, so pretty much I'm doing a yellow theme of makeup. Well, sometimes depending on how I feel, but my outfits are yellow. I decided I wanted to dress my belly up for the week because I've been in like a little sad little mood. So to get out of that, I've been wearing the most brightest color I could possibly think of, and that is yellow. And it's definitely has been uplifting me. It's definitely like giving me the energy, and yellow is such a positive color. If you guys can look up a yellow meaning of what yellow actually means, like it's so much positivity into this one particular color. So I feel good. So what are we on, day 4? Okay, it's day 4. Had to count like 1, 2. Okay, yeah, day 4. Today's outfit is chill because I really wasn't doing anything. So, but our makeup ain't gonna be chill. Like, please, I don't care if I'm staying in the house or not. We're gonna make this makeup look spicy, you know, real cute. Okay, so like I said, I already have my base and everything on. I'm gonna go in with my brow bone highlight once I find it off this messy desk. I'm sorry I keep squinting. I'm trying not to look up so much so I don't crease my lid color, but I'm gonna go in with the Ulta eyeshadow. I'm just gonna simply place it right underneath the brow bone. And then today I'm going in with my Artistry Vote palette by Plan and Makeup by Yolondo. Y'all know this was like my favorite palette, like back in what was it, 2019 or 2020? One of those years. It was like my all-time favorite palette. This is still one of my favorites. It's beautiful. Look at this. You got your colorful shades over here, and then you got your neutral shades over here. And then together, it's just absolutely amazing. And this was a collaboration with Melissa. Melissa now has her own makeup line, and I think you guys have seen me use that palette quite some time. I can't think right now, but it's okay. So I'm gonna start off with my lid color. Like I said, this is trying to crease. So I'm gonna pop this beautiful matte yellow on. I'm just going to place that on my eyelid. Oh my gosh. I'm looking at my lid. I think it's creasing. Oh, if I have to reapply this, I swear I ain't gonna be no makeup today if I have to reapply this. Like, it definitely enhances your yellow eyeshadows. I give it that, nice and sticky. You just gotta move fast with it. So next time I'm just gonna do one eye at a time, so that way I don't have to experience the creasing. But I'm just gonna put this all over the lid. I'm going a little bit past my crease area. This yellow is vibrant, y'all. It's like a mustard color. So y'all can't tell, but right here, I guess it didn't blend all the way. It's a little patchy, so I'm gonna have to reapply some of the shadow base and touch it up because I can see it's very noticeable in person, and it definitely will pick up in pictures, but it's like a little gap right there, and I don't know how to fix it. I keep reapplying it right there, and it's not filling in. Waiting if I want to start this look over. I'm not gonna lie, I am getting a little upset. It's not the eyeshadow, it's my base. I just really don't want to do this over, but I think I have to because I like for my eyeshadows to be smooth, and I can just see the wrinkle dinkles in my eyes, and it's just not, it's not what I was looking for. So oh. Lesson learned, don't use it. Oh my god, thank god I didn't do my crease first and then the lid after, because that would have been too much work. But apply my bases. I'm not going to go in with the what's I'm calling it, the having a brain fart, oh my gosh, pregnancy brain, with the yellow base, because I don't think it's mixing properly with the eyeshadows that I'm using today. And I've used this palette before and I've never had any problems with it, and I've used that base before and never had any problems with it. So I think it's just a combination of both together. It ain't working, so we're gonna do this over, reformulate it, and I'll be back. This is the struggle, y'all. And usually I use my makeup wipes, but I'm being so lazy right now. But don't worry, I'm soaking this paper towel enough to where it's soft on my eyes, so it's not like harsh at all. So see, this is real life filming right here. See, I could have cut this whole thing out, act like none of this happened, but so I don't even know if y'all gonna be able to tell the difference, but much better. All right, so moving along, I'm gonna go in with, I don't really want to go deep in my crease. Kind of want this yellow to like pop on its own. So I'm gonna go in with this shade of brown, and then I'm gonna blend it out with this brown. So taking the shade Glazed Donut, if you guys have this palette, I'm just going to pat this in my crease. Don't worry about if you hit like the yellow and it's like getting on the lid part. You can always reapply that. So that's okay. Making sure I got this brown in the correct placement before I decide to go in and blend it out. Alright, going in with my favorite blending brush. This is my Morphe 519 brush. I'm going in with That's Not Cute. I'm gonna tap it because I really want to make sure I softly blend this out. I actually could have went a couple shades lighter, but I'm gonna go in with Sin Nudes. Let's see if that works better. That's definitely better. So instead of going in with this color, I decided to go in with this one. It's a little bit lighter and it's gonna help blend it out. So Glazed Donuts and then Sin Nudes. This eyeshadow palette is beautiful. The colors are just amazing. The formula is so bomb. It's so easy to blend out these eyeshadows, y'all. Like I said, you can reapply some of the yellow if you lose any of it, or brown gets on the lid. Just go back in and reapply it like so. And the key of making it blend more better, go back in with that blending brush. And now I'm just gonna go between the colors and blend it out. Look at that, girl. Girl, this is so pretty. So I'm definitely gonna wing it out, keep it like this. So I'll be right back, and I'm probably gonna clean up this and apply the rest of my face. Okay, so I did some of my face, and then I have on Juvia on my bottom lash line because we about to pop a color. I was gonna leave it like this, but the girl's extra, okay? extra, read all about it. So we're gonna go for a color. And I was thinking purple, but then I just did a look with purple on my lash line. So I want to do pink, but I feel like pink on my lower lash line gives me like a pink eye effect. Like it don't look right. So the only thing I think will go good with these colors is a nice blue. So that's what we're gonna do. So I have two blue options that I can choose from. I have this one. And then I have three, but that's too dark. But this one and then this one. Which one you want to do? Let me see. I'm going to do the light blue first. How it look right now. I think that's going to be a little too light. So I'm going to go for this blue, which is called Cutie Girl. Oh yes, there we go. That. This is it. You know what? I think I'm gonna have a gradient effect with the blues because I can see it right now. So I think I'm gonna stick the blue. I'm gonna keep the dark blue on the outer part, and then I'm gonna put the I'm gonna do a gradient effect with the blue. So I'm gonna keep that dark blue towards the outer part, and then I'm gonna put that light blue in the inner part of my my lash. I'm going in with that light blue. I don't think it's gonna really like show like a big deal, but in my mind. It's going to, so. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay. Do we need an inner popper or not? Do we need an inner popper or not? Yes, we do. I'm gonna go in with that yellow I used. Was that yesterday? This is a random yellow pigment, but it has like a really pretty like neon effect. So I'm gonna pop that right in my inner tear duct because I think that's gonna definitely open up my eyes a whole lot more. I'm going for a bold lip today because I've been doing like neutral lips pretty much all this week. So we're gonna go for a bold lip as well. So yay to that. Go in with my, what is this? I don't keep having brain fart, y'all. Sorry. It's pregnancy brain. But I'm going in with my glitter glue. I'm just gonna sit there and let this get a little tacky. And then I'm gonna take this nice look. That's how bright this yellow is. Like it's bright. Not a matte, it's not a matte pigment. It definitely has like shimmers to it. So when putting it on a white base, it's really beautiful. I mean, a wet base, it's beautiful. That, ooh. This is beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna do some lashes, liner, and then complete the rest of my face. And then we're gonna come back with a nice, beautiful, bold lip for today's look. Yes. Yes, honey. Okay. I need to pop on some earrings. I think I'm gonna stick with silver today. Although we got this yellow on and I know it could go with gold, but the white, I'm reflecting silver, so I'm gonna go with that. Get into the full vibe. Oh, girl. Hoops will change your life. Hoops will change your life. Okay, let's get into this lip. So I'm going in with Juvia Scorpio. This is like a burgundy lip liner. I'm just gonna make this lip beautiful, honey. And the key of making a color lip look good is make sure you clean up after applying your lipstick. Clean up with your foundation and give your lips like that sharp edge on the corners. It makes it look really, really clean. But anywho, I'm gonna go in with Prom Queen. It's like a purple shade. Pop that right in the center of my lips. Make sure everything is gonna flow. Gonna take a lip applicator. I'm gonna slightly add a little bit of pink. This is the Hank & Henry lipstick that I've been wearing all this week. I'm gonna pop it right in the center part of my lips. I usually don't go for a gloss when I have a color lip, but I've been lacking this effect. I'm gonna add So Juicy. Yes, I love this lip gloss. Oh my gosh. This is a lip plumper and my lips are already naturally like juicy, but to have more of a juicy effect, like who wouldn't want that? So I'm gonna pop that right in the center. All right, I don't even have blush on and I kind of don't want to put it on, but I know I'm gonna regret it because it pops more when I have like take my pictures. But y'all see that highlight? Girl, don't sleep on this highlight. This is the Morphe highlighter. It's been like my all-time favorite right now. It's called Extra. Read all about it. Okay, I don't know why I keep saying that because I keep thinking y'all gonna think that's the whole title, but it's just called Extra is the name of this highlighter. But I just can't help but to say extra, read all about it after saying the word extra. But anywho, gonna go in with the blush that's been on my desk forever. I'm debating if I want to do Hank & Henry or if I want to do my other favorite. Which way do you want to go? Which way do you want to go? I'm gonna go bright. Like, we got pink on the lips, so we're gonna do pink on the cheeks to complement the lips. Sis, it's over. It's over. All right, my love, so this completes the look. I really do hope you guys like and enjoy today's look. This look is giving me tropical island vibes, especially with the hair. Like, I need to go to somebody's beach. I wish we had a beach out here in Vegas, but of course we don't. But girl, girl, the ooh. This lip is everything. I'm so glad that I stepped out of my comfort zone. Well, it's not out of my comfort zone, but it's in a sense my comfort zone, that I always stick to a nude lip because it's so easy, fast, and just it goes with any and every look. But sometimes you gotta do a little bold lip, you know, just change things up just a little bit, you know. So baby, like, I think I need some more extra highlighter because I'm feeling very extra. Like, I want everything to pop when I take these pictures. Where's my highlighter brush? Like, yes, let's add some more. Look at that. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, this highlighter is everything. Look at that. And then we want to make sure we blend her in. Yes, okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's look. I am feeling the shit out of myself, and that is a good thing because, you know, pregnant vibes, you know, sometimes we don't be feeling ourselves, but I'm totally feeling everything about this look. Like, just wait till y'all see the outfit. Like, I swear I look like a pregnant peep right now. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if so, please don't forget to thumbs up this video. And if you guys haven't caught up on my other looks that I did this week so far, there is a playlist down at the bottom. Of course, go ahead and check them out. Show the other videos love and support, and I'll be back tomorrow with another look. Bye. Oh, she cute. These pictures about to be popping. Like, oh.